Go to your browser. In the search bar, search for VS Code download. Search for it. Open the very first link, https://code.visualstudio.com download. Just go to it. It will show you the environments, Windows, Mac, and other two environments, right? Choose for whatever the environment you are working for. Just choose that option. I am working on Windows 11, so I am choosing this Windows 11 one. It will automatically start downloading. See, it's started downloading here. If it is not started for you, then there will be a direct download link here. Click on it and it will start downloading. Just wait for few minutes or seconds. It ideally won't take long to just download if you have good internet connection. See, it's downloaded for me. Now just go to the folder here, icon here, to see where it's get installed. Right click and click on open, or either you can double click on it. Here it will ask to read the license agreement, and if you are agree with it, just opt for I agree, I accept the agreement. If you opt for I don't agree the agreement, then it won't show you the next button, right? After reading, just opt for I accept the agreement. Next button will be enabled for you. Click on it. Here it will show you the default path on which this Microsoft VS Code gets installed. You can change this path going on this browse button, but I prefer for this default one. Click on next. If you want to create a start menu folder, then don't check it. Otherwise, you can check it. Right? Click on next again. Here it will ask you few checks. So here there is an additional icon. If you want to create a desktop icon, then you can check this. This add to path is preferred, right? So it will create an environment variable for you in your system. So this is preferred. Register code as an editor for supported file types, it is also preferred. These two are optional. You can check it if you it is required for you. Click on next button and click on install. The installation will get started. It will extract all the files it has, and it requires to be working in your system. Once it's get installed, then you can click on finish button. Before that, if you click on finish button and you want your Visual Studio Code to be launched, then you can check this. Otherwise, you can uncheck this and click on finish. Your Visual Studio Code will open up. Right here, this kind of space will come up, and you can choose your theme here: dark modern, light modern, high contrast, and light high contrast. So by default is this dark modern, correct? Then you can go for rich support for all your languages. So these will are the default languages this supports for, right? So here all the settings, tune or settings, right? So auto save off and all these things. So it is showing you the walkthrough. Just go to it, right? Then next section under these is just popular. Go to the code popular extensions. Here you can go to the extensions from here. You can just see what all extensions you have installed here, and what are the recommended installations, extension installations. Also, whatever you want to install, here you can search that. Let's say Python, right? So search for this extension, and this you can install whichever are required, and there it will ask for restart extension or uninstall if it is already installed. If it is not installed yet, then just click on this install button to get it installed.